The Red Cross continues to deal with a critical blood shortage this winter. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco joins us with how severe weather has impacted the local supply.
As we look back 40 years ago to the blizzard of '78, the American Red Cross is reminding people to donate blood after recent weather caused a high demand. The South Hadley Public Library was one of many locations throughout the state participating in blood drives. The demand for blood increased because winter weather forced the cancellations of 28 blood drives across the state. The Red Cross collected 750 fewer units than expected. The Red Cross officials said the blizzard of '78 is a good reminder to be prepared and give blood.
I can do it, and I'm happy to donate, and well, it's just feel good because the Red Cross does send you an email and go, oh, by the way, your blood went to this wonderful person.
The high demand in blood usually increases during the winter because fewer people donate, especially during the holidays. The blood collected from the South Hadley Drive will stay in western Massachusetts. The South Hadley blood drive ends at 6. There's also a blood drive at 150 Brookdale Drive in Springfield. That goes until 6:30. Nick Oresco, 22 News.